Yeah, hi guys, good evening. Good evening, everyone. So, how are you all? So, I hope you had a nice day, and we are here to make this evening also nice. Okay, so let's see who all are there in the chat comment section. Okay, so I can see here CS Electrical and Electronics. Okay, he has asked to share slide link in description. Okay, great. So, yeah, hi, good evening. To all those out there. So I see some people are watching now, but where are the comments? Please put down your comment, guys, so that I can address you all. Please put down a comment. Hi, good evening, everyone. Those who are watching this, please comment. Like take little bit effort of putting some comment in the chat box. Just put down comment, guys. Okay, meanwhile, what I would like to show you is, so today guys, we are actually live on two platforms. We are on YouTube as well as in our LMS. So let me show you how we can get into our LMS, how we can register for the course and watch the session from LMS, because from tomorrow onward, it won't be on YouTube, it would be only in our LMS. So I'll quickly share the screen and show you guys all how we can watch the same session in our LMS. Okay. Right. So yeah, this is. I hope you are watching the screen, guys. I've shared the screen. Basically, this is a website. You can just click on www.letsupgrade.in and you will find this home page. Okay, where you can actually. Okay, let me go to the home page first of all. Yep. So it's taking some time. Why? I'm not sure. Okay, so let it open. It should not take so much of time. My internet bandwidth is fine, pretty good. Okay. Anyway, guys, so what it would do is maybe I will just again open this website. Okay, fine. So I think my system is slow right now for some reason. So when you get into this LetsUpgrade.in web page, you would land on our home page, guys. There you can explore some courses from there, and what you can do, you can find the data science program over there. So click on the data science program. You land on this page basically. Okay. So why it is taking so much time? I'm not very sure about it. Okay. Anyway. Just hit it once again. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, some problem. Oh my God, an error occurred. Yeah, I'm facing some trouble here, guys. Okay, anyway, I'll just say it. You follow the steps as per I'm saying. So go to the home page, guys. You'll find their data science program over there. Okay. So some server record. Okay, anyway, fine, might be some issue. So go to the home page, you'll find data science program, click on it, guys, and you can actually scroll down and see there would be some. Okay, some you'll find, yeah, that's it. Now it's doing fine. Yeah, this is the home page, guys, and if you go down, there will be many programs you can see. That is, you can find your data science program, click on it and land onto the data science page. Yeah, this is the data science program designated page. Okay, so you can like scroll down up here and you'll find some details about the courses. Okay, what are the job opportunities and all. Okay, right. So this is the sample certificate you will be getting after completion of this course, which is actually certified by NSTC, Government of India, Skill India. Okay, NSTC, also this ITM thing. Obviously, it would be from LetsUpgrade, guys. So this is the sample certificate you'll be getting. You can also check out our full stack course, guys. We're offering a 25% discount, and you can also click on this view curriculum and check out all the curriculum, like all this 3-level wise. Okay, let's not discuss about this right now. So this is the thing we are dealing with now, essentials, which is actually free of cost. This is a 5-day course, guys, each of 1 hour. So this is entirely free of cost. So you just have to click on this enroll now for ₹0, right? So see, it sees me, it shows me congratulations, you are enrolled in this essential program in data science. So I can just click on this start learning thing, click on this tab, start learning. So you are landing upon this my programs page actually. So these are the programs for which I have enrolled into. So also you can come to this place from home page. I'll show you how you can come to this place. Okay, click on this this tab where your profile or your name is being displayed. Here you will find a menu called my programs. Click on that and you'll again go to the my programs page, guys, where all your programs that you have enrolled for would be shown to you. So basically, this is the program I have enrolled now, this data science essentials. So you can just click on start learning. Okay. So to show you this 5 day, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5. So as we are dealing about day 1, today is day 1, guys. So just click on this day 1 thing and you would be there watching the session. Yeah, this is the thing, guys. So you click on this and the session would play. So yeah, I can see myself here. It is very weird seeing myself. So I'll just stop this thing right now. Okay, so let me stop it. Yeah, okay, yeah, I pause it. So you can see on the right, you can see, guys, there is some details. There is a chat section. So on this chat tab, you select your name, click on this I accept the terms of services and join here so that you can access our chat facility, guys, chat feature, so that you can hear like do the live chat thing, whatever we do in YouTube. Okay, so I see here many people. I have not addressed these people because I was there in the YouTube. I have not enrolled there. Now I'm there. So how who are there here? Okay, Shubham is there. Hi Shubham, Shreyas, Manas, Naresh, Rohit, Prem, Shantanu, Chaitali, Afreen is also there here. Pranita. Okay, Aman is there. Shantanu is again there. Shivani, Priya, Manas, yeah, Satish, hi. So, hi, good evening, everyone. Yes, Aman, I got your question. I got your query. It would be done. Okay, just wait for maybe 1 or 2 days. It would be done. Exactly. I'm not committing the date, but yes, you'll receive. Surely, you'll receive the certificates of the project session that Sir had conducted. Okay. So, yeah, hi, Jiva, Akshay, hi. Hello, good evening. So, I hope you are doing well, right? So also, guys, I want to show you one more thing, that on the right of this chat, there is an attendance tab. Okay, mind it, guys, there is no link as of now. There is no link like we were doing before. There is no link for attendance you'll find over YouTube. So you have to come to the LMS. Okay, go to this, first of all, you join this chat section and go to this attendance tab. You see here there is many the emojis kind of stuff. My favorite thing. I love this emojis thing. So just click on it, any like whatever you want to rate the session. So if you want to put some suggestion here, you can put it over here, and just you can also click on choose this one and then save. So your attendance will be marked along with the feedback. That is your attendance. Also beside it there is an assignment tab, guys. So what you have to do, whatever assignment you would be receiving from us, you have to create a GitHub repo and share the link over here, okay, in this tab. And if you want to put some detail, put it and save it. Your assignment will be submitted. Okay, but again, I must say, assignment is not compulsory, right? Assignment submission is not compulsory, but attendance is compulsory. Put your attendance daily to be eligible for the examination. Assignment is for your practice. It will be given to you, but it is solely for your practice, right? It is not compulsory to submit. You can submit it still, but it's not compulsory. Okay, right. So, yep. So I see some more people. Hi, Santosh and Augustine. Okay. One thing I haven't done till now is let me introduce you your trainers, guys. So I'll stop sharing the screen. And yes, hi, sir. Hi, good evening. How are you?
Hi, Subrat. I am fine. Thank you. How are you?
I'm always good, sir. I'm kicking off like always. So, guys, yeah, Seven Sir is there. I think you like most of you might have already seen Seven Sir doing the previous project session which we had on movie recommendation session. This Netflix and all movie recommendation system we have done. So Seven Sir has done that session. So you know it already, right? So you know I don't think I have to introduce Sir again. You all of you might already know Sir how he is getting into this session, how is delivering the things. It's pretty good, right? We have an amazing feedback about Sir, like how well he delivers and makes the students things understand. Okay, so I want to also introduce one more person over here. Yeah, Finn, are you there? Yes, Afrin is there. Hi, Afrin. How are you?
Hello. Hi, Melissa. I'm good.
Yep. Yes. So hi guys. So this is Afrin. So Afrin would be your face, or and also would be your voice here throughout this entire 5 day course session. So if you like, it might happen while discussing, while explaining some topics, sir might overcome some of the doubt. So what Afrin will do here is Afrin will take up those doubt and convey to sir, so that all of your doubt will be covered up and be addressed, right? So that's what Afrin will do over here. Afrin will introduce herself just a few moments ahead. Okay, I'm coming to that, but first of all, let me make some announcement over here. Also, before announcing, I need to do that as per our tradition, guys. Please put up from what all places you belong from where you are actually attending this session, guys. I'm Sukrat, I'm from LetsUpgrade. I'm right now in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Okay, addressing you all in this essentials program of data science here. So please mention your places, guys, from where you are attending the session. Yeah, I'm waiting for your responses, guys. Okay, I'm yet to get some response. So yeah, I'm getting some responses in the LMS. So guys, all of you, please jump into our LMS. I have shown you how to get into it, right? So go to the home page, letsupgrade.in. You can click on data science. You can enroll for the essential program, and you can go to the my programs menu, and you will be here, right? So just join the chat with your name, and here we are, would be on the same thing over here. So yeah, I've seen your places like West Bengal, Hyderabad, Chennai, Pune, Gujarat, Pune, again Chennai. Okay, Nepal. Oh great. Okay, there are some people outside India also. It's so great as you joined here for this course along with us. So Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam, Bangalore, Aurangabad, Kerala. Okay, US. Okay, great. It's so great, guys. You have joined from different countries also. Faridabad. So we have people from all over the corner of this country, as well as people from outside the country. Okay, someone here, Gerard, is there from Amsterdam. Isn't it great, guys? People like from all over the world or all over the globe joining in today for our session. That's great, guys. Thank you all, actually. You are joined with us for this session. Also, let me have a look here on YouTube. Yeah, Kolkata, again, US. On YouTube, also there are people from US, Delhi, Pune. Yeah, it's great. It's so great, guys, to all like to have you all in our session. So I particularly believe and I hope that we will do justice to all of your time. So that's what I had to say. Just one more, once again, I'll repeat this announcement, guys. Assignment submission is not compulsory, but it would be given to you for your practice. You can submit it as well. It is up to you. Attendance is compulsory, and there is no link in YouTube as such from now on. Go to our LMS. I have already shown how to register for it. Okay, go to the LMS, register for the course, join the chat section, and go to the attendance tab on the right of the chat and put your feedbacks. That's it, guys. Your attendance would be recorded. Okay, so I'm basically done. So, sir and Afrin, I'm done with my thing. I have already addressed them. So it's up to you now. So I'm in the backstage now, guys. I'm leaving from here. I'm leaving it here up to like sir and Afrin. They would continue this session. So yes, sir. I'm taking a leave here. You can continue.
Thanks, Subrat. So now I will start. So before I start, uh, I will wish or not wish actually. I say everybody good evening or hi everybody, good evening. Now I will start my session just by giving some introduction to data science. So I don't want to bore you people by giving a very lengthy introduction. A simple introduction around 10 minutes, and that will tell you why you people should take this particular course and why we are different, a little bit different. Okay, this is what I just wanted to tell you. Then I will go to whatever we are covering for these 5 days. Okay, the schedule I will just discuss. Then we'll straight away go into the uh, uh, Python programming or NumPy, Pandas, whatever we are going to discuss today. So I'm sharing my screen right now. share screen. Okay, and I wanted to share screen now. Go and yeah. I hope you people can see my screen, right? Yes or no? Offering, can you see my screen? You are
So
on
as
mute.
of now, no. Yeah, I think it's loading. It's taking some time. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So I will open the presentation. Okay, from there actually we will see. Okay. Okay. So just brief introduction. Okay. Why we should be taking this particular course. Okay. So just 10 minutes, not more than that. So this presentation I have given so many places, and I will not be going for each and every slide. Okay, only few slides I will go. So the first thing is wherever you go nowadays, everybody says artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science. Okay, this is what everywhere, and why this is so important. Okay, and why we should be learning this. These we will be discussing. So there are many questions right now. So if you just search in Google. So everybody's asking like, what is the most trending software job? What is the highest demanding job in USA or India or Europe? Okay, wherever it is. Uh, and what is the highest paid software job and which technology is having most applications? Okay? So these are all the questions, but answer is only one. That is nothing but artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science engineer. So because of this, we will be learning. So because this technology is very, very new and this is not introduced in academics, okay, till now it is not, except a few colleges like IITs and few other colleges. Actually, this was introduced as a academic subject, but other than that, nowhere. So that's why we should be learning this and get opportunities. Okay, and I will discuss with you people. Okay, what type of opportunities we will get it. So this slide, okay, it is like I wanted to tell you like why we should be taking this course right now. Okay, means we wanted to be little bit ahead. So that is what I wanted to give an example. Like, so if you take WhatsApp, actually it was introduced little bit early and it is having good quality. So because of that, actually it is dominating remaining all short services. Okay, so there is something like Telegram and Viber or whatever. Actually these are all very, very less compared to WhatsApp, and the same thing with the Facebook, right? So Orkut, it was with Google, but even then they cannot compare, right? So that is where actually we need to enter at right time. Okay, that is what I wanted to tell, and with right skills. Okay, even if you are entering at right time without any skills, it is not a good one. So it is good time to enter into data science, as well as you people should know very good knowledge. You people should have very good knowledge to enter into this field, to sustain. Next thing is this is almost like a Java in 1996 to 2004. Okay, at that time, I think everybody were learning Java, and they got very good job, and most of the people were settled in USA. So this is almost not almost actually it is a little bit more, because Java it is just a simple programming language, but here we are having programming language something like Python, then stats, then machine learning algorithms. So it is a little bit more. Okay, so whenever you learn all these things, okay, you will be fitting into any one of the position. That is what I wanted to do. So next one is why it is so different. Okay, so data science, why it is so different is it is combination of multiple technologies. As I told you, it is having Python, it is having stats, it is having maths, it is having some algorithms. So these are all we will be combining to give the solution. And it is not a procedure, it is a method to solve, and it is a dynamic. So what is a procedure means, suppose if anybody wanted to design a website, so it is simple procedure, right? You have to just go for this one. Okay, you have to understand what is the customer requirement, whether it is a e-commerce website or normal website. Okay, then what is the design it should be. So this is like a procedure, but coming to data science, it is not a procedure, it is having a procedure, but it is more about the method, what methods you use to solve it, and it is very dynamic. Okay, so once technology is changing, we need to be a little bit update and do the work. That is why it is different from others. And another one is explainability is more and more important, because website it is just a standard format, so nobody will be expecting, okay, you need to explain something so that they can understand. It is self-explanatory, but coming to here, results are not self-explanatory, so people should have very good knowledge to explain those. So how we will be trained for that, okay, those are all we will see in the regular course. And fourth point, it is very important, it is evolving and right time to it. Okay, it is just evolving. I think last 3 years something, all algorithms are like, these are all pumped. Every 1 month we will be getting around 2 to 3 new algorithms, right? It is a very dynamic state right now, and if you enter in this stage, okay, and learn everything, then always you will be ahead with people who are learning little bit later. And applications are in all domains. Okay, this also I will discuss, because it is not only restricted to e-commerce, it is not only restricted to biology, it is not only restricted to finance system, it is everywhere. Everywhere you are having the applications. Okay? That's why we should be taking this particular course, and we can improve our chances to get a job, good job. I cannot say job, good job. So what are the applications? Okay, I mentioned only 8 or 9 here, but you can find anywhere. Okay, so if I try to write this one, all this, it will go around 100 slides. So I don't want to do that, so I just made something like fraud and risk detection, healthcare, internet search, targeted advertisement, advertising. There are so many. Okay, even speech recognition, image recognition, these are all areas it is having. So now everybody is using artificial intelligence in their company. So this is very interesting one. Okay, this I have taken around 6 to 8 months back, but even then, the trend is a little bit same. So if you try to see in 2017, actually this is somewhere around 2017. So this blue one is nothing but data science. Okay, so blue one is nothing but data science. It is not that much in trend, but over the year 2017 to 2020, you see, it has dominated every every other sector, and now it is on the top. So that means actually it is the right time. That's what I can say. And I have some examples of
There seems to be some disruption and we have lost communication with Sir. So I'm working towards it, guys. Please bear with me for some moment.
Yeah, okay. So I think Sir is having some issues over his
Yeah,
system.
we
Maybe
are just
his
giving
internet.
it.
Yeah. So I see many people are again asking like how to enroll for the thing and all. So I'll again show you guys how can you actually do it. Okay, I'll be sharing screen again. Just to give me a few moment. So it's very simple. Friend, you can also share the link to them where they can register. Also, guys, you don't need any link actually. You can directly go to our website. It is actually letsupgrade.in. So you can click on it. You would land upon our home page. Okay, there you can explore. You can scroll down and you can check out here. We have this data science program. Click on this. Okay, click on this data science program and you would land upon the data science designated page. So this is the designated page of data science. Yeah, this is it. So what you can do is you just go scroll down and you can see here like on the left here it is essentials, right? Essentials, which is free of cost. So you can just click on this enroll now for rupees 0 and you'll get a like congratulations message over there. So you would be enrolled for it. So I have already enrolled, so it is actually showing me you are already enrolled. So once you enroll for it, once you get a congratulations message, below you would get a start learning tab, a button. So click on it, you will directly come to this one. Or what you can do is you can click here or maybe hover over here, you'll get this my programs menu. Click on my programs menu and it would show all the programs that you have enrolled for. So basically, you have to go to this program, Data Science Essential March 2021. Click on the Start Learning. Okay. So click on day one. Right. So click on the right. You can see there is a chat tab. So to join the chat, you can just click here. Okay. Just give me a moment. I think even this thing is yeah. Okay. So even I'm facing some issue over here. I don't know why. Anyway, so click on this chat tab, guys, and here this is the session you can attend here. You click on this play button, and in the chat you just select your name. Okay, type down your name and click on I accept and join the chat so that you can join in the live chat thing and you can chat about here. On the right of chat, you can see this attendance tab, right? So click on this attendance tab, select this any of this like depending on what you feel about the session, give your feedback. If you want to give some suggestion, you just give some suggestion, type down your suggestion and click on save. Once you click on save, see now I'm not able to click on save anymore because I have already submitted, so I cannot do it. So select something, maybe this one you select. If you want to give some suggestion, you type here and click on save and it will turn green, and next time it will not allow you to save it again. So your attendance is already saved, guys. If you're getting this, your attendance is already saved. This is the procedure to mark your attendance. So I guess sir is already again here. So yeah, that's what you need
Yeah.
to follow, guys. So I'm going to backstage and sir would continue the session.
Actually, sorry for that because I have a firewall, so I need to check regularly. So I will be doing that every 15 minutes. Actually, it will be on, and others' website I cannot see. Uh, Fine now. Okay. So I will start from here. Okay. I think offering just remind me every 10 minutes that I need to check that firewall. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sure,
Okay.
sure.
Yeah. So yeah. So this is what I was discussing. It is a
So your
salary
screen is
comparison.
not shared yet, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Just wait. So is it visible now?
As of now, no, sir. Let's just wait for another. Yeah, it's just starting to load. Yeah, yes, sir. Ready to go.
Yeah. Yeah. So I will be going a little bit fast. Okay. Salary comparison also, it is like around 10 lakh we may be getting. So on average, so some people may get a little bit less, some people may get a little bit more. But on average, if you try to see, actually, we are getting good salaries compared to other fields. And I don't want to go for the next slide. And yeah, salary increments. Okay, this is very interesting slide. Okay, so vacant jobs, around 2 lakhs jobs are there in India right now, and in USA around 5 lakhs. In Europe, all over Europe, it is somewhere around 8 lakh jobs. So even if you people are interested to go abroad and get the job, it is very good opportunity. Okay, it is very good opportunity that if people can go there and people can get jobs. uh, so next slide. Okay, so I think this is what I wanted to give introduction, and this slide, okay, it is schedule. Okay, schedule. So how is this our schedule is the first day introduction and numpy, and little bit numpy we cover, and numpy and pandas day 2, and once again, it is pandas day 3, matplotlib and seaborn. Okay, this is what all advanced topics we see, and the expectation is already people know base Python. Okay, that is how I go into this particular course, and we will go a little bit in depth. It is not like on the peripheral. We will go a little bit in depth and try to see. So I just wanted to see. Yeah, still it is off. Okay, fine. Uh, so straight away, I'm going to another slide. Okay, so this one, I wanted to discuss today NumPy. Okay, I wanted to discuss today NumPy. So before I go there, okay, so first I wanted to tell you something like what is NumPy? Okay, what is NumPy? So anybody can answer. What is NumPy? Anybody knows? Uh, Afrin, are we getting any responses from students?
So there will be around a 10-second lag before we start getting responses.
Okay.
So I will just wait for another 5 seconds. 5 to 10 seconds is a lag time. Um, yeah, so someone's saying vector calculations, numerical Python. I
Yeah.
can see others saying Python for numbers, deal with numerical variable. Yeah.
Yeah. So you people are exactly correct actually. So what happens is in the data science, always we will be dealing with very big data. Okay. I think maybe around 20 GB, 30 GB, okay, 40 GB, even terabytes. So at that time, actually, we cannot take pain of doing a very slow calculation. Even if you're having little bit fast calculation, okay, around 50% more, actually, it will reduce our life. It will make our life very, very easy. Okay, that is what people wanted to think. People wanted to research in that direction. Okay, so inherently, Python, it is having some problem. Basic Python, actually, it is having some problems. Okay, I will let you know what is those problems. Okay, we will see in action. It is not like we are just talking. We'll see in the action. So how to overcome that problem? Okay, basically Python, it is having a little bit of problem in the speed. Okay, and how can we overcome it? So what these people have done is actually they went back to C++ uh, architecture and try to build NumPy. Okay, so right now it will not make much sense for you, but I will let you know how this goes. Okay, so first what we'll do is we will try to see what is Python list and what is an NumPy array, and try to understand why we are using NumPy arrays. Okay, so I'm going here. So first file I will open. Okay, it is Python 1. So I wanted to check it is once again now fine. So it is loading now. So I wanted to first compare Python list and a NumPy array. So first, you people see here the first line of this code. Okay, what I do, I will go here and clear output. So I wanted to restart it. Okay, fine. Now I'm running first cell. Okay, so as you people know, if it is a list. Okay, it is containing 1, 2.2, 3.4j, and there are so many, right? So if you see here, this is integer, this is float, this is complex number, tuple, and a list, and it is a dictionary. So it is having everything inside it, right? It is having everything inside it, and I wanted to check what is the type of it. So it is a list. Okay, it is a list. But suppose if I wanted to see what is the first element of this list, so it is one, but I wanted to know what is the type of it. So what is the type of it? It is int, right? So if I go in the same fashion, what is the second one? Okay, and what is the type of it? It is float. Third one, okay, it is complex, and fourth one, it is tuple. Fifth one, it is a list, and the sixth one, it is a dictionary, right? So you are having different type of elements in a single list. Okay, that is what a list, it can contain multiple uh, uh, data types. Okay, it can contain multiple data types. But coming to NumPy, okay, we will try to see what is happening with the NumPy. So I'm just importing NumPy right now. So now I have something like NumPy array 1. Okay, how I can create it? Okay, NP array, then I have to go for a brackets. Inside it I need to push a list. So I'm just creating it. Now I wanted to check how it look like. It is an array, and I wanted to know what is the type of this particular one. Okay, it is NumPy n-dimensional array, and here it is having a D type, means data type. So data type is nothing but int. Okay, because here I put everything as an int. Actually, it is coming as an int, right? That is what actually. But what I do is I will just little bit change it. Okay, the way in which actually it is happening. Now I wanted to change it. So what I do in the next step, okay, NumPy array 2, I'm keeping 1, 2.2, and 3. So this particular one, it is nothing but a float, right? So I will make little bit big. Sorry, Control Z. Okay, so plus. Okay, now it is clear to you people.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I run this cell, and I wanted to know what is the D type. So it says it is a float. But even though I have given something like an int, it is a float and it is an int, it says that everything is a float. And I wanted to check how the result is. Now you see, the 1 has become 1.0, and the 2.2 it is as it is, and it is 3.0. That means actually, if you are giving different data types, actually based on the precedence, okay, order, it will be changed. Okay, the lower one will become higher one. So here actually it is a float, it is higher one. So otherwise, how I can say is actually a integer can be converted to float, right? So everything become float. But now next step, what I do is I will just keep it, one is int, another is a float, another is complex number. Now we will see what happens. So now go ahead and see everything become complex. Okay, it is 1 plus 0j, 2 0.2 plus 0j, and 3 plus 4i, right? So this is what actually we can see. And I wanted to check what is the type of. Okay, just go ahead and check what is the first is shape. Okay, it is 3 comma. Okay, now I wanted to check it is a complex one. So this is a difference, the first difference between Python list and NumPy arrays. So NumPy arrays, they are homogeneous. Okay, you cannot have different data type inside it. Okay, but what is the advantage? What is the advantage is because already you know about the data type. Actually, it can allocate the memory in the continuous space. Okay, not space and continuous. It can allocate the uh, all the data continuously. So if I go here, okay, if I just go here, I wanted to give little bit introduction. So what happens is here, so now I have Python list, it is having different numbers, and coming to here actually it is a single data type. And if you wanted to see how these are all arranged in the uh, memory, so if you take the list, actually it is random place. Okay, 1 is somewhere, 2.2 is somewhere, 3.4j is somewhere. Actually they are very very random. Now what happens is, suppose it wanted to access all the elements. Okay, suppose if I'm doing some operation, okay, just I'm doing some operation on this particular list. So the system has to go to different places to pick all these numbers, okay, then do some operation. But coming to here, NumPy array, what happens is it is a continuous. So if you know this particular one, the first one, okay, then all others are similar data type. Okay? All others are similar data type. Now what it will do, it knows that actually how many bytes I need to go for to fetch the next one. It is very easy for system. Okay, that is where it is making a real difference, or a drastic real difference in the computation. Okay, and if you people know something about C++, so arrays, whenever you people play with arrays in C++, you can refer your array by name or by reference. The reference is nothing but a pointer, right? So if you know the pointer of array, then after that, actually if it is having the integer, float, or whatever, based on that one, it knows that how many bytes I need to move to get the fetch the second next one. So that makes life very 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 easy. That makes life very easy for computer. So and calculations are very very fast. Okay. So next what I want to do is, okay, this is what I have discussed. So next I will go here and I wanted to discuss a little bit more. So I think few things I'm skipping here. Okay. So now numpy array type shape. Okay, so next is we are having arrays one dimensional, two dimensional, and three dimensional. So one dimensional already we have seen, but what I want to do is I just wanted to give one more time the example. So what is the other way of creating a numpy array? So you create a list. Okay, so I'm just creating a list now, and the type of this one is a list, and I can pass this particular list here. So go ahead and pass particular list here, and now try to get what is this one. Okay, it is a numpy array, but suppose if you wanted to get what is a dimension of it. Okay, what is it? First I will see what is the type of it. It is a numpy n dimension array, and what is the dimension of it? The dimension is nothing but one dimension. So this one is nothing but how many brackets you are having at the front, or how many brackets you are having at the rear. Okay, you are having only one square bracket, right? So it is a one dimensional. But coming to shape, actually there is a little bit different convention in NumPy. So what is that convention? So whenever you are having the one dimension, it will tell how many columns it is having. So it is not giving any information about your rows because it is a one dimensional. Obviously it is one row, and it is telling that four columns are there. But the representation is a little bit different here. So it is 4 comma. That means actually it is having 4 columns and 1 row because its dimension is 1. So this is what actually always you people have to keep it in mind. always and always you people have to keep it in mind. So if you are getting something like 4 comma 5 comma whatever, it is one dimensional array. Okay, it is a one dimensional array. So I just go here and check whether I'm online. Yeah, still I'm online. So fine. Now I wanted to go and check what is two-dimensional array. But I think before I go there, if you people are having any questions, please let me know. Okay, I'm happy to answer. Any questions?
Yes, sir. So I am checking on the chat over the YouTube and over LMS. So I will
Hmm.
list down all the questions. Someone Amar is asking. So can we declare all data types in list? In a list, can we declare all the data types?
Yeah, data types means I have shown you, right? Actually, whatever it is there, actually we can go ahead and we can declare.
Okay, sir. Also, another person is asking if NumPy array has different data types and it is displaying as the same data type, then doesn't each element of the array take the length of its corresponding data type?
Can you please repeat the question? I missed in between.
Okay, sir. So even I found it little like intriguing. Like I have asked him to elaborate the question further. So what he says is, if NumPy array has different data types and it is displaying as the same data type, then
Yeah.
it doesn't matter. Each element of the array will take the length of its corresponding data type.
No, no, it is not corresponding data type. It is the same. Okay, whatever it says. What is the data type it is there, right? So if it is a float, it will take the float memory. If it is an int, it will take the int memory. Okay, it is not like each element is having the different memory inside. So that is the main advantage. Okay, because if you know the first point, actually you can trace till last because you know what is the length, how many bytes it is taking. Is it clear?
Uh, yes, sir. Also, sir, a few of them had questions on the basic setup process, sir. Like some of them are mentioning that, sir, can you please start from the basics? Can you show us how the setup works for Python or for the Jupyter notebook or something like that? So,
Uh, No, actually, this is in assumption that you people know already Python, basics of the Python, and we
okay,
are
sir.
going into the NumPy. So, what you do is actually, if you are not having basic knowledge, also you can go through this particular one because it is not a rocket science. So it is a little bit simple,
Mhm.
and you people can at least realize, okay, because you people may be checking a lot of online videos and other things, right? So whether you people are getting really this depth information in the online or not, you people can check it. Okay, fine.
Okay, sir. I don't see any other data as of now, so you can proceed.
Yeah. So now I will quickly go through what is a two-dimensional array. So two-dimensional array is nothing but if you are having the two one-dimensional arrays, okay, that is nothing but two-dimensional. But coming to NumPy, actually, it is if you wanted to know, you have to see how many brackets are there in the front or in the starting and how many brackets, or you have to see how many brackets are there in the end. Okay, so here if I'm having two brackets, that means actually it is two dimension. So I have created now, okay, and I wanted to check here. So if you people can see here, so this is a one dimensional, such type of one dimensions I'm having two. So it is a two dimensional, but by checking just how many brackets are there, so we can say that it is a two dimensional. I wanted to check here once again what is the dimension of it. It is a two dimension. And here it is a very important one if people have to understand. If I go for shape, what happens is always you people have to start with the last. Okay, last one is nothing but how many columns you are having. So last one is nothing but three columns I'm having. Just before that, it is how many rows you are having. So two rows I'm having, right? So it is 2 by 3. That is what actually people have to understand. Okay. So now it is two-dimensional, and we have seen shape also. Now what I want to do is, if I just go ahead here, and I wanted to make it as a three-dimensional, just imagine. Okay. So as I told you, if I keep three brackets here, okay, in the front as well as the back, so it will become three-dimensional. But you need to have few conventions you need to follow now, not conventions, syntax you people have to follow. But what I did is I have just introduced one more bracket at the end, and here one more bracket at the end, right? So I'm just running this. Now, can you people tell me, okay, if I run, what is the uh, ending? Okay, what is the dimension of it? Okay, so go ahead here, and I wanted to put, okay, copy this, control and control V here. So I'm putting end. Okay, what is the dimension of it? Can you people tell me what answer I would be getting? Please write in chat. Any answers?
So someone has, okay, someone saying 2, someone saying 1, someone is saying 3 dimension 2, 3 cross 3. Okay, variety of answers you had.
Yeah, so it is 3 dimension. Okay, so it is 3 dimension because as I told you, so I have 3 brackets here. So in the starting, or I'm having 3 brackets at the end. So it is the 3 dimension. But this is simple question because you can count brackets. But what is my question is, okay, I will print this one for you. So I will just go ahead and print this one for you people. Now you people have to tell me, okay, what is the shape of it? So just try. Okay, just try. I will give only 1 minute. Okay, just try. And if anybody can tell what would be the uh, shape of it. So it is 2116. I will just wait for 2717 just to make sure
Okay.
that it is interactive session. Okay, that's all, not more than that. So it is 3 dimension means actually I should have 3 numbers inside it, right? So what I said, so last one is nothing but how many columns are there, and just before the last one, okay, second last one is nothing but how many rows are there, and what is the third one, okay, that if you people can give the answer. So last two actually people know right now, I have explained to you. So you have to tell what is the third dimension, means what you will find in the what is the first place. Any answers?
As of now, no, sir. Okay, third row would be a blank row. Third row would be height. Someone saying
Okay,
height.
yeah.
Um,
So if I just run it, okay, I don't want to waste the time here. So what happens is here, just see how it goes is how many columns are there, that is your last, okay, and this is making your one-dimensional array, right? How many such type of one-dimensional arrays you are having, that is nothing but how many rows you are having, right? Now you came up to here, okay. So this is the two-dimensional array. So how many two-dimensional arrays are there in this particular 3 dimension? Only one. That's why you will be getting 1, 2. So 3 is nothing but how many columns, and 2 is nothing but how many rows, and 1 is nothing but how many such type of two-dimensional arrays I am having inside it. So I'm having only one, right? So it is 1 comma 2 comma 3. So now what I wanted to tell you is, see this particular one. Okay, I think you people will be in a position to give the answer right now. So array 2D underscore 1, it is a numpy array. I'm having it is 1 2 3 comma 4 5 6. Okay, then can you people see here there is 2 brackets, and once again it is starting with the 2 brackets 11 12 13 and 14 15 16, and it is ending with the 3 brackets. Okay, now first thing, okay, what is the dimension of it? Okay, if I go ahead and write ending, okay, I think everybody should be in a position to tell right. Okay, what is the dimension of it? Are we getting any answers?
null. Neetu Singh has mentioned null. I'm waiting for another few seconds to get like a proper
Yeah.
string of answers. 2, 2, 3.
Okay, I'm asking about
Three.
first dimension only. Okay, I'm not asking now anything like what is the shape. Okay, dimension means
Okay.
what is the dimension.
Okay, please
So it is a,
guys state the first dimension only. Okay, 3, 2. I'm getting threes and twos.
okay, it is 3 dimension because as I told you, so in the starting, how many brackets are there? 3, right? So if I go ahead and run this, okay, so I will be getting 3. But you people cannot simply put 3 here. It has to follow some syntax. Okay, what is that syntax? So this is single dimension. Okay, such type of 2 will become 2 dimensional. Okay, and such type of 2 dimensional, if I'm keeping 2, it is another third dimension. Now if I see, if I run this particular one, okay, go ahead and run this particular one, control C. I wanted to introduce a new column and put it here, control V, and run this. Now you people can see clearly what is happening. Now you see, this is the one-dimensional one. Such type of one-dimensional 2 will become two-dimensional. Such type of two-dimensional I'm having 2, right? So up to here, this is 1. Okay, up to here, this is 1. And from here to here, this is 1. That means actually, coming to shape, actually, how many columns are there? It is 3. 3 will be the last. And how many rows are there? 2. 2 will be the second last. And how many such type of arrays are there? 2. So it should be 2 by 2 by 3, right? So if I just go ahead and run this, okay, I will be getting 2 by 2 by 3. So is it clear for you people? Is it clear?
If anybody is having any doubts, please post it over. I'm looking into it. No, sir, I don't see any doubts as of now.
Yeah. So that is 3-dimensional. So we have already discussed 3-dimensional. So I don't want to repeat this section, okay, because already we have seen here how to create a 3-dimensional, right? So it is a 3-dimensional, but the same thing actually here I have. So I will be going for the next one. So now what happens in the Python list and what happens in the NumPy? Okay, that is what I wanted to discuss with you. So I have a slide here. So go and see this slide. There is a slide. Yeah. Okay. So I have something like whatever purchase for the shop. Okay, and whatever sold already. Actually, these are all there in shop, and I purchased. No, these are all in. These are all in what is the purchase for the shop, and now actually these are all actually I sold it. Okay, these are all I sold it. Now once I have this particular one, so how what is the available stock? Okay, just imagine the first one I'm storing is it is like a apple, second one is banana. Am I still online? Yeah, so fine. So the second is banana and third one is orange. Now next what I'm doing, actually these are all I purchased for the shop, and after that I sold few things. Okay, so how many I sold? So 20 apple, 20 kgs of the apple I sold, and 22 kgs of the banana I sold, and 8 kgs of orange I sold. Now suppose if I'm storing this particular one is in a list, okay, then what happens? Okay, that is what actually I wanted to discuss first. Okay, so I'm taking, okay, purchased and sold, okay, and I'm running this one, first one, and second one I'm running. So what I should be doing, actually, if I wanted to run as a matrix, okay, what I should be doing, I should go ahead and do the minus, right? So whatever purchased minus sold. So if I just go ahead and run, so what it says is actually that operation is not possible. That operation is not possible in the list. You cannot do the subtraction. But suppose if I wanted to do the plus, okay, subtraction is not possible if I wanted to do the plus. Now what happens is actually we will be expecting 25 plus 20 is equal to 45, 30 plus 22 is equal to 52, 15 plus 8 is equal to around 23, right? But what happens in the list is, okay, so if you see the list, these two are concatenated. Okay, this first one actually is concatenated with the second one. So if you see 25, 30, 15, then 20, 22, 8. Actually, it will not make any sense. Mathematically, it will not make any sense. Okay, that is a main problem. That is a main problem with your lists. Okay, so you cannot do anything. But suppose if I am creating that as a numpy, okay, so if I'm creating that as a numpy array, and I wanted to check once again this also is fine. So if I'm creating this as a numpy array, so what I did is I just put n here. That means actually it is a numpy array. So numpy array purchased and numpy array sold, and I wanted to know what is the stock with me. So if I just go ahead, you see 25 minus 20, it is element by element operation, right? We are doing element by element of 25 minus 20 is equal to 5, 30 minus 22 is equal to 8, and 5 minus 8 is equal to 7. So it is perfect for your mathematical operations. Okay, that is what I can say. But not only that, okay, not only that, just imagine I have a price. Okay, the first one, apple, it is 100 rupees per kg, and banana it is 35 rupees per kg, and orange is 40 rupees per kg. So I guess I'm still online. Yeah, so 40 rupees per kg. Just imagine. Okay, so I'm just running this, and I'm having the purchased. Okay, this is nothing but whatever I purchased. So suppose if I wanted to know what is the total cost, okay, I wanted to do just multiplication, right? So this one into this one into this one into this. So suppose I wanted to do the multiplication. If I go ahead and run, it says that you cannot do multiplication in lists. You cannot do. Okay, you can see here, can't multiply sequence by a non-int type of list. Okay, you cannot do list to list multiplication. You cannot. But suppose I change the price into a numpy array, okay, and I'm having the purchase. Now what I want to do is I wanted to do what is my total cost, okay, element wise, okay. So I think right now what I do is I run this, right. So I wanted to print what is the total cost. Go ahead here, Control C, and put Control V, enter. Now you see it is 100 into 25, 2500, 35 into 30, it is 1050, 40 into 15, it is 600. So I will be getting individual cost. Suppose if I wanted to get overall what is the cost, then I just go ahead and have sum of the cost. So okay, what is the cost of it? It is 4150. So it is very simple in NumPy. Okay, whatever operation you have to do in loops, actually you need not to do in the loop actually. Okay, so suppose if I am having everything in the list, okay, I need to do a loop, I need to run a loop, but here it is not required because by default it will do element by element operation, element wise operation. Yeah, but suppose you people might be knowing what is a dot product, right? I think people might have studied in vector calculus what is a dot product. Dot product is nothing but the similar ones will be get multiplied, then we will be adding that. So go ahead and run this, and you wanted to get what is the cost of it, it is same thing. So it is 4150, here also it is 4150. Okay, that is very advantageous. Okay, that is very advantageous whenever you're working with the number. Okay, next thing, I have few other things like uh, division. Okay, I have told something how this you can do element by element operation for the division. Okay, so these things it is fine. And there is one more advantage. Okay, I think this will be for anyone. Okay, whether it is a list or whatever, okay, it will work. But what I want to do is I will go for a speed test. Okay. Now you people know how this particular NumPy and NumPy and lists are working, right? So we'll spend another 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, not more than that. So what I'm doing is I'm importing a time. Okay. So import time just to record what is my starting time and what is my end time, and I'm taking size. It is 50 lakhs. Okay. So very big number I'm taking so that I can clearly compare how the effect is there. Okay, what is the Python list, how the lists are doing, and how NumPy arrays are doing. Now you people might be knowing, okay, list one is equal to range, and I'm giving 50 lakhs. That means actually it is start with 0, 1, 2, 3, and it will go up to 49 lakhs 99,999. Okay, up to there actually you will be having all the numbers. And list 2 also it is exactly same because I'm using the same range function and same value. So this list 1 and list 2 they're having 1, 2, 3, 4, and up to 49 lakhs 99,990. Okay, the same thing I am creating NumPy arrays. Okay, NumPy arrays NP arrange. Okay, it is here it is range, and here it is a range. The same thing. It is size is equal to the same thing. So even this also having 0 to 49 lakhs 99,990. Now what I want to do is, suppose if I wanted to do the element by element operation, that means what actually I will be taking. Okay, I will be taking the first element of the first list and first element of the second list, multiply it and store it in another list. So what I'm doing, first I'm making the initial time, okay, before I started. So I'm creating my final list. Okay, it is an empty list. Now I'm just running a for loop for I in range size. That means 49 lakhs, 50 lakhs, and it will be appended the first element. Or here I is nothing but iterable, right? So in the first iteration it is taking the zeroth element, zeroth index. Okay, here also it is zeroth index. Second iteration it is taking the first index, and here also it is first index, right? So it is doing the multiplication and it will be storing into this particular final list. And after that, once this is completed, I will be recording the time. Next, what I do, time taken for list, it is the final time minus initial time. The same thing I am doing here also. And next one, I'm printing it. So the same thing I'm doing, I'm taking the initial time. But here, coming to the NumPy array, array 1 into array 2, it is nothing but element by element operation. You people know, right? We have seen element by element operation. So here I need not to run any for loop. It is just array 1 into array 2 means the first element to first element, second element to second element. Okay, and then I will be taking what is the time once it is completed. Then I take the difference, and once this is there, I'm just printing it out. Then I'm taking the ratio between list versus NumPy array. So I will just go ahead and run this. It takes a little bit of time, around 10 to 15 seconds. So is it still running? Yeah, it is still running. Okay, completed. So I will go and see results. Okay, what is happening with the NumPy list, NumPy arrays and lists. So see the results here. So time taken by list to perform the multiplication in seconds, it is 15.77 seconds. And the time taken for the NumPy arrays, it is 0.01 seconds. And what is the ratio between these two? It is 829, means 830. So almost it is around 300 to around 500, 600 times. It is much faster. Okay, so this will make very good differentiation between a good programmer and a bad programmer. So if you are a good programmer, you will not be using list at all. Okay, you will be always using the NumPy arrays. If you are not knowing about the power of NumPy, then you will be going and using the normal list, and it will take a lot of time. Even your system may hack. So people clearly can say, right, it is 829. Okay, the ratio between these two. Okay, this is what I wanted to tell you. Actually, I wanted to cover second one also, but tomorrow we are having whole 1 hour, so we will be completing NumPy. Then we will go to pandas. So I hope you people enjoy this session. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know.
Yes, sir. I will be looking forward to the questions. So if there's anything, I will just let you know. Meanwhile, sir, if you would like to maybe sum up the whole session that we've discussed today about the topics that we've been discussing today, that would be great.
Yeah, so today we started with the introduction to data science and why we should be taking this particular course. And we have discussed what are all we are going to learn. And this is particularly designed in such a way that you people will get the value of the course, because generally you never get such type of information in online YouTubes or online courses. So if people can go ahead and check, okay, whether people are really getting this much of information in YouTubes. So this is a clear indication that what you are going to be learn in this whole course. Okay, so it is always in the same standard. Okay, so you will not be getting such type of standard outside. That is what I can give a guarantee.
All right, sir. So, how do I change the column name apple to apple juice or anything? Like, how do I change the column name?
No, no, actually here we are not changing the column names. Actually, you will be doing that in pandas data frames. Here, just I wanted to tell you uh, how you can do the mathematical operations. Here we are not going to much bother about what is the column and everything. Generally, pandas and NumPy, they go hand in hand. Okay, they are like a brothers. So if you are having something in pandas, that you can convert it as a NumPy array. If you are having something in the NumPy array, you can convert it as a pandas data series. Okay, so that we will be discussing once we go to the data frame. Actually, we can discuss in detail.
So is there any advantages with NumPy?
Pardon me, I didn't get your question.
Is there any advantages with NumPy over pandas or something else, which you had actually
No, no.
discussed actually?
See, pandas, NumPy, they are like two different fields. Okay, NumPy we will be doing for numerical calculation. Pandas, it is for the structured data. So we cannot compare these two. It is not apple to apple comparison.
Sir, how do we read input directly from input? How do we read input directly from input? Okay.
Yeah, yeah, I know. What is this question? I know. Okay, we will be discussing that in the basic Python. Okay, it is like input we have to give. Okay, so that is very simple function.
So apart from that, yeah, so Shubham, thank you for answering Jayesh's question. Jayesh, obviously you can look into the next few sessions to find answers to the find more explanation into the same question. But obviously Shubham has also mentioned. So thanks Shubham for being so supportive for our fellow learners. So the next question, sir, give some real-time examples in day-to-day life with NumPy.
Yeah, actually, NumPy we will be discussing tomorrow a lot. Okay, it is not day-to-day example. Okay, we cannot be using that
Yeah,
in
exactly.
day-to-day life. Actually, it is specially for data science. Okay, so I cannot give any day-to-day life example, but I will give a specific example what we will be doing in the data science statistics part. Okay, and how our life will be very easy with NumPy. Okay, that is what I will teach you tomorrow.
So Nand Kishore is asking, is dimension depending upon the number of columns? So Nand Kishore, I would suggest you to go check out the basics of Pythons because your question does lack some sort of clarity here. You do need more clarity on the Python programming part to be able to, achieve that kind of competency to understand here. So maybe you can just head over to LetsUpgrade.in and register yourself for the Python Essentials course. Please share the actual coverage of topics in the course. So Jayesh, you can find that over the data science page, letsupgrade.in/data science, where you are actually registered for the course. You can find the whole curriculum listed over the page. And Subrat sir has actually over the introduction of this session mentioned how to reach the page, how to maybe look into the curriculum and look into all of the aspects of this course. So maybe check that out so you can find out the details of that. So we don't really have to cover it over the session as of now because we really don't want to waste anyone else's time. So does this DS program cover AI, ML, DS algorithms? Again, Amarnath, please do check out the program page. Check out what the program states and what it will be covering. All of them is mentioned over the website. So please go into letsupgrade.in/data science to find out answers to your questions. Um, yes, sir. I don't think we have any questions related to the subject that we were discussing. So yeah, we can go ahead and conclude, sir, for today.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks very much for your time, and
Uh,
we'll
Thank
discuss
you,
tomorrow.
everyone. Yes, sir. So also, please go mark your attendance because without your attendance, you will not be able to qualify for the certification for the exam. At the same time, please join the community. So I don't see a lot of people presenting their doubts today. So if there is any doubts which is left, which we have not addressed in this session, please go over to the community, post your doubts. I will be looking onto those doubts. I will be taking a note of them, and maybe Shravan sir, as it is, will be answering it tomorrow. So I will present your doubts tomorrow as well. So maybe you can do that. Apart from that, thank you guys for joining us, and we hope to see you tomorrow for another informative session. So stay tuned, guys. Goodbye. Goodbye.